This is what it feels like to lose $42,000 in one day at 23 years old. Smiling. No, I'm just kidding. First things first. Thank you to God that I'm healthy, I'm alive, I'm here making this video right now, and money doesn't matter at this point to me. My health does, and I want to live longer. I want to live to like 300 million years old, bro. I never want to die, and obviously I'm thankful for that. Um, But today I lost $42,000 in a singular trading day. And, before you think it was my fault, here are the orders. It was a bot. And, it was on this account. It was at like 27K, almost nearly double the account, basically. Was doing pretty well. And I was never going to withdraw money until it got to like 100K because, I don't really, $25,000 to me, at this point in my life is just, as I'm going to talk about in a little bit, it's just not that much. And I'm sure it's not a secret, but I'm obviously making a lot of money from affiliate codes and Discord and like just everything. And I've just gave out a $250,000 private loan and I'm making $50,000 off it in 30 days. Like I can make 50K in a blink of an eye from literally like 5, 6 different things. It's more than just Discords and affiliates. It's other private business I'm doing. It just there's more stuff out of trading that I've expanded to, and it just messes with my head because it's like, bro, look, this is my topstep dashboard. I can literally request a $2,500 payout right now. And yesterday I could have requested a $5,000 payout. The accounts were up 1,500 each. Yet I didn't. And I'm thinking to myself, like, damn, like 3 years ago, I'd been like, let's go, $2,500, $5,000. I'm gonna request a payout. I would have been super excited, and I don't want $2,500. It's just not enough to me anymore. And I guess that means maybe I've leveled up, but at the same time, it's like $2,500, for 8 profitable trading days is like, it's good for 99% of you. And I guess I lost touch with the reality. I don't even know. But yeah, anyways, here's all the stats. I don't know what happened. It only happened on Ninja. And it seemed to be entering a bunch of orders at the same time. And obviously, a human can't do this. This is impossible. If any of you don't believe me, but here's all the orders, obviously, and you can see it's a live account. And I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna make it back through all my revenue streams, but I'm competitive and I want to make it back through trading alone. And because it sucks. And I'm going to hopefully price action cleans up and I'm going to make it back by in the next month or two is my goal. Risk 5K per trade, should be able to make it back pretty quickly, but it just sucks. And I don't know, man, it just uh, it's just a horrible feeling that I don't even want $2,500 payout. It's I just lost $42,000, and even then, I'm not punching my wall. It's like not enough to me. And maybe this is inspirational for some of you because I'm 23 and I'm losing a whole yearly salary. But like, I'm just speechless. I think the thing that sucks most about it is I could have given it to you guys. I could have given it to the homeless. I could have, donated it to a church. I could have, bought my mom a car and literally anything. And I just gave it to the market because of a technical error. So I don't know, man. That's just, I guess it is what it is. And, at the end of the day, I obviously still have my brand and I'm still doing well, but it's just that my mind's changed. And I feel like I'm losing myself a little bit now that I'm making all this money, and sometimes it doesn't even feel real, and I don't know. I mean, I don't even remember the last time I didn't make 6 figures in a month from every stream of income, and um, I don't know. Money just seems so fake to me at this point. It's like numbers on a screen, and TGR, Tory Trades, like, dude, who else? All these big guys online making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on social media. Like, I don't even know how they do it, bro. Like, I'm becoming a bigger icon in the space, especially the last 3-4 months, ever since I went to Wall Street, more people are knowing my name, and I'm making just so much more money than I ever thought I would be making. And it's like just messing with me, I guess. I don't know. But like, I don't even check my bank account that much. I don't really like, I don't buy a Lamborghini every 2 weeks. I've had my same cars for about a year now. I literally just go out to eat, spend time with my family and friends, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, man. So I guess I really have nothing else to say besides I'm gonna try to bounce back, and I'll just keep going. And yeah, everyone's like, show a payout. Here is my payout, but I'm not gonna request it. It's just not enough money to me. So yeah, still don't even know what happened. These are all the orders though. So all right, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all for real if you support me, and thanks.